Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today is a good day already. One of the packages that we were waiting on yesterday has arrived, so we're gonna run down and pick that up and see what it has. I slept exactly the same way in this seat when I was his age. Well, they just dropped it off. Let's go see. So here's the other box that just showed up. It's got a pretty significant hole in it. Hopefully nothing fell out, but we'll give it an open and see. Okay, so the boxes showed up. Pretty excited about it. Like I showed you before, the top one has a giant hole in it, so we're gonna open that one first, see if there's any damaged product, missing product, or anything like that. But let's check it out. Ooh, gotta love big boxes. There's a stand. Looks like there's the roller. Kind of stuff kind of just tossed in here. That's all right. All right, let's pull this out and take a look. So I'll give you guys a look here. So these are the bead rollers. This is the 1/4 inch die set. Pretty excited. There she is, put together. Got the rollers in place, got my spacers in. Now, I'm gonna try and get that on. Dude, I am so excited about this. Pretty awesome. These rollers don't fit. Might be able to put one on each side, but oh. I was so ready for this. All put together now. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty excited to put it to work, but overall pretty easy to get it together. And yeah, I need to order some more dies. I thought I had ordered an art roller and a tipping die and a couple others, but obviously they are not here. So I got the nylon stuff for aluminum and the steel stuff for mild steel and stainless, but really happy, really happy. So I slid it back here out of the way. I need to run and get some sheet metal. I'm not sure that I'll get to play with it today, even though I really, really want to. I am really happy with this. But yeah, so I think it's time to go and feed the munchkin. All right, so got everything moved out of the way. Now we're gonna go grab some food and head over to a couple of the steel places here in town and find out, you know, what sheet metal is gonna cost as far as some mild steel, stainless, aluminum, and copper. I'd really like to know what it's gonna cost me per 4x8 sheet so I can start planning out some different things. So we just finished up lunch, and now we arrived at Vernon Steel. We're gonna run in here and see if we can get some pricing for a few different metals. So I'm just finishing up here with Vernon Steel. Was able to get a number of different quotes for different gauges and different materials and things like that. Ended up buying a 4x10 sheet of 22 gauge. for what I'm starting with, I think that's gonna kind of fit the need. So they're waiting on them to kind of wave me back and they'll load me up. So we just got all loaded up with a 4x10 sheet of 22 gauge. Gonna go home now and start making a few different patterns for some pieces for these trucks, and maybe play with the bead roller this weekend. I love getting mail. Okay, no more excuses. I know I kept saying my batteries were dying and things like that. That will happen no longer. I ordered 2 batteries and a charger, so I've got no more excuses for my camera dying. So I didn't end up making any patterns this afternoon. I spent the majority of the afternoon doing a bunch of design work and getting stuff laid out so that I could do some stuff this weekend with the sheet metal, create patterns, things like that. But yeah, I'm about to hop on the phone here with the guy from Ford Era on Instagram. We're gonna record a podcast for the F100 Nation. So pretty excited about that deal. Have a few more of those coming. The podcast, I'm gonna move it from Tuesday releases to Sunday release, just because I'm trying to do daily uploads during the week with videos, and I don't wanna double upload. So I figure since I've been taking the weekends off, just kind of roll into the week, start things off on Sunday with a new F100 Nation podcast, and his is going to be first kickoff. I do have a number of other guys kind of lined up to continue recording these podcasts, which is really exciting. And I appreciate you guys supporting them and checking them out. All these guys that have come on to the podcast have been fantastic. But yeah, I'm going to hop on the phone here. I appreciate you guys watching the video. If you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button, like it, share it, tell a friend, and we'll catch you next time.